If you want to hide and unhide apps on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your settings, scroll down to your home screen tab, open it up. Now we gotta find our hide apps on home screen and app screens, choose it. And now in order to hide some apps, we are to choose them. Let's hide up this one and press done. Now they're hidden. They will appear in this hidden apps list and you won't find them anywhere. Right? So in order to unhide application, you are to go back to your settings, home screen, locate your hide apps on home and app screens and tab minus. Now press done and let's try and find this application. There it is. We can find it now, and that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.